Eating sleep at this kid's base right here. Yeah, look at this. I almost got Bali back again. I got Bali, ready?
Immediately. All right, away.
He's definitely mad. We're outside there right now, bro. Oh, here's another base right here.
All units.
I ain't even destroying this stuff around. I'm just going straight to the middle base, you know.
All units.
Oh. Oh my god, let's get the base in. Sweet. Yeah, flames right down there going hard. Look at them. Ready? More on. Oh, you. Leave, man. Yeah, I just took the kid out the game. How many points I got? Cooper got the most points. I'm struggling with points right now, dude. So wait, whose base are we not going to? About another flamethrower, I guess. Is it lagging or something? Oh, yeah, he dipped down. Oh, yeah, we just spanked that kid. He freaking left. What a pussy. That's so stupid.